Hey, what's going on, guys? Ralph Joseph here at St. Albert Dodge. What I got right next to me, something special. Phantom Black 2014 Chrysler 300C SRT8. You heard that right. SRT8 on a 300C. Last of it's making it in 2014. You know you're winning. But let's take a look underneath this phenomenal hood to see what we are working with. Powered by a 6.4 liter, that's right, you heard that correctly, 6.4 liter V8 5-speed automatic transmission, folks, with about 470 horsepower on this bad boy on a 300C. That just blows my mind, the condition of this, and something that I finally get to do a video on, which is phenomenal. You leave up this mechanical work to our amazing mechanics in the back. I'm gonna close that right up there. You get into the front, you get your iconic front Chrysler 300 fascia, which is nice. You got your nice LED lights, you got your fog lights, you got your adaptive cruise control. That's what that little camera is at the bottom right here. But this thing looks mean in this Phantom Black with the black grille. You are absolutely winning. We take a look at these 20-inch black chrome wheels, SRT as well, with the Brembo caliper on this. Man, this thing is just a thing of beauty, I tell you what. Brembo calipers on it with the big brake disc to support that power. This Phantom Black is just in mint condition, folks. I gotta tell you, you got the blind spot monitoring, you got the panel roof on this one, and it sits 2 inches lower than a regular 300C since it's in the sport condition as well. But if we move on a little bit to the back, folks, we got your dual exhaust, you got your backup camera, you got your backup sensors as well, and you can't forget that SRT badge, of course, which is nice. LED backlights as well. And pop open the trunk. This specific one has a cover. So if you want to store it during winter time or drive it, you do have that option. You can kind of use the back to really cover it up and preserve it a little bit more. But this trunk space is phenomenal. Got tons of it back here, enough to fit golf clubs, groceries, hockey equipment, maybe a stroller, let's say if you want this, for the family vehicle. Lots of options here. Pull this down and close it. But let's hop on in the inside and see what the inside has in store for us. What's going on, guys? Ralph Joseph here at St. Albert Dodge. Just hopped in this 2014 Chrysler 300C SRT8. And folks, this thing is in pristine condition, as is on the outside, as is on the inside here. This thing is a combination of the leather and the suede seats to kind of accommodate to, the both. You got to have the yin and the yang, the blue and the black, if that's even a saying. But let's keep it moving, folks. This thing has the power seats as well. Got the lumbar in here to kind of, make the ride a little bit more comfortable, which is neat. Power windows, power locks, standard. You got your seat settings as well. So you got driver number 1 and 2, which is good. You got your automatic lights, of course. And just look at the steering wheel. We're going to jump right into the steering wheel, all right? Very aggressive, very firm to kind of grab on. So when you're going on high speeds, you have something nice to, take those high speeds, which is great. You got your cruise control, adaptive cruise control as well, which is nice. You got your cluster dash navigation where you can go up, down, left, right, and really configure it the way which page you want to. You can connect it to Bluetooth and get this little phone here, which you can answer and end phone calls as well. And you got your voice command just at the left there. On the back of the steering wheel, there's a party happening back here. So just below these paddle shifts here, you got your volume up on the right side, and you got your on the left side, change between the channels, which is pretty neat. And you got your paddle shifts, right? You gotta open this up a little bit. Maybe take it on Castro, maybe take it on the track, and open this up and really put this to the test. I know I would if I had it. Leather wrapped steering wheel, heated as well. Move over to an 8.4-inch screen right here. Boom, AM, FM, Sirius XM. Once you have it hooked up there, get you rocking and rolling. This thing comes equipped with a CD player, folks. So bust out with all your old CDs that you don't listen to for centuries. Come jam out to something like this and really enjoy those old tracks. Boom, with the push of a button that goes in and out as well. You got your controls, you got your heated and ventilated seats on here. And I already mentioned the heated wheel. You can go into your sport track, which is just phenomenal. You got your sport, you got your track, depending on which mode you want it, which activates the suspension and the transmission as well to give it a little bit more aggressive feel, which you're all rocking and rolling to test out that SRT8. Let's keep moving. Climate control, dual as well. You can navigate it on the touchscreen or just down here, depending on how you see fit or your passenger as well. You can kind of sync it to the driver. You can kind of go back to controls if you like, or just keep it on there, use it below, which is nice. Boom, boom, do your thing with it. When you're all good to go, we're gonna turn it off and keep it moving. Navigation, of course, let's say if you get lost or you just need to know where the nearest gas station is at, the navigation got you covered. Bluetooth, once your phone is connected, will be here. And you got your SRT and SRT modes, which is phenomenal. Down here, of course, you got your climate control, volume up and down. You got your CD player, SD card, so if you got a little music on your SD card, you can pop it in there and play some tunes, which is nice. Pop this open right here. You got a 12-volt DC charger. You know, some storage just far down here. A little bit of storage here, enough to maybe put a key. Open this up. You got your hot and cooled, cup holders right in here to keep your drinks nice and cooled or warmed, whatever you like, which is pretty cool. Open this up. You got some more storage. You got your another 12-volt. You got your USB. You got your aux down here. A couple of trays. Get you going. Lastly, folks, you got your panoramic roof. So for those of you that love getting your hair blown in the wind on a nice summer day or maybe a nice winter day, you can open this up and really get to enjoying it, which is phenomenal. But folks, you gotta take a look at this in person. I tell you, this thing only has about 33,000 kilometers on it for a 14. Wow, that is mind-blowing. In the condition it's in, it was barely even driven. So you know you're getting into something phenomenal. Clean Carfax as well. No accidents, one owner, you're rock and rolling. As well as the heated seats in the back. What more can you ask for something like this? But if you want to book an appointment to test drive it, take a look at it further, call or text me at 780-293-9444. Or simply come on down and ask for Ralph Joseph. I'll be more than gladly to help. Ralph Joseph, I look forward to it. Okay.